We're out here at Thompson Drag Raceway again. We got Project Hot Wheels out here today, and we are going to make its maiden voyage on its track time. So, you know, we'll see how much a stock bottom end car makes. You know, we haven't done much to this car, but I'll get back to you. Make sure you hit that like, sub, hit that bell for notifications. We'll see you guys out at the track. Before we get started though, we got to put some wheel screws in our wheels. These are all old wheels from the black car, the 15x8s, and these are our slicks that we used to have for those tires. So we got to go ahead and we're going to put our studs in, and then we're going to put it on the back of that car. All right, we're gonna make a pass with the window down because I can't get the regulator to fucking work. It should be fun. I didn't have a good takeoff, but that's all right. Project Hot Wheels. 400 power? 400 horsepower? I don't know. We'll have to see about that. Alright, so we got the first pass in. We might be able to get a second hit in, but its motor's pretty hot. It's probably like 200 degrees. I'm going to kind of let it cool down a little bit, but 1/860 foot on slicks is terrible, but I didn't want to go out and bang the shit out of it right off the bat. Ran a 1199 at 120, which you can probably see it. I'm gonna try to make the camera. First pass with my window down because my damn window regulator, my damn window motor went out as I was getting ready to stage. Come on! All right. All right, here we go. Second pass. right, so I made my second pass. We did pretty good. We went 159.60, which could be better. I didn't really launch the shit out of it, but we went at 1160 at 121.2. So getting faster. Man, this could be a 9-second or a 10-second freaking stock bottom end block. What? No way. Anyways, started getting hot. She got up to like 220 or whatever, which is super hot. Big air bubble in the system. When we got it back, we relieved some pressures and opened up the radiator. It was just a third of it was missing. So we got it filled back up, went right back down to 180. That's just some of the woes of putting a new block in, you know. Had a nice big fat air bubble in it, but that's okay. We're gonna go home and we're gonna probably put a different radiator and fan combo in it, because that radiator looks a little old for being a 3-core and it's not even an aluminum, so probably run a different fan on it as well. So, but anyways, stay tuned. We're probably gonna be finished there for the night, but I'm not real sure yet. I might let it cool down and make another hit, but we'll see. Stay tuned. All right, so for those of you who haven't been following the build, this is a bone stock intake to oil pan motor, and I've actually made quite a few videos to prove its contents. We went to the dyno today, made 403 460 wheel power. It also you know, I felt like there was more in it, but that was unweather corrected, and it was like 90 degrees today. So came out here right off the trailer, went in 1199 and then an 1160. So stock bottom end, stock motor, full weight, full interior, no cage, no you know, it doesn't have any subframes. You know, I actually had a window motor go bad in this today. Kept me from that first pass at 1199 with my window down. But we put some slicks on it and we just sent it. You know, this is our street sweeper, man. Runs good. I do like building these because they're easy, they're not very complex, and the tune was spot on. But yeah, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and like, man. All right, so I think we're done for the night. Me and my man Paul, I think we're super happy with the way this car turned out. Project Hot Wheels. Kind of coming towards the end of the build. We're excited to get started back on the black car and the white car. Big thumbs up. But yeah, I mean, we just put it back in the street form, about to put the cutout back on, put the rear wheels back on. We made 403 horsepower, 460 torque, and we just ran an 1160 off the trailer. I ran an 1190 with my window down because the damn window motor went out on me. Go figure, right? So I'm really happy with the way this build came out. Brakes are a little spongy, but I think the rotors might be warped. Go figure. I mean, it's always something with this car right now. But we've at least went through every fucking corner of it, so we're super happy with it. I think we're gonna rock it for a while, and then we'll, you know, maybe at the end of the season we might get rid of it, we might keep it. I don't know what we're gonna do with it yet. But I think we are gonna put a Cervini's hood on it and paint it to match. We got an extra Cervini's hood at the shop. I don't know if I want to do black or if I want to go back to the blue, but I think the blue would give it some, you know, we could always go back if we don't like it. But I'm super happy with the way it came out. It's not rotted. It's a car that had been in an accident, fixed and painted. You know, it's getting its second chance now, and that's what it's all about, really, you know. I mean, that's what we do at Neomustangs. I'm a Fox body advocate, and I'll be that way for the rest of my life. So make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit that bell for notification, because we ain't stopping here. See you soon.